How to install apps in Shopify from your phone. To install a new app using the Shopify mobile app, start by launching the Shopify app on your iPhone or Android device. From the main screen, navigate to the app section, typically found in the side menu. Once you're there, tap Add Apps to access the Shopify App Store, or you can use a direct link within the app if available. In the App Store, you can either browse by category or use the search bar to quickly find the specific app you're looking for. When you've found an app that fits your needs, tap on it to view its details, including features, pricing, and user reviews. Once you're ready, tap the Install button. You may be prompted to authorize the app to access parts of your Shopify store. Review the permissions, then tap Install again to confirm. The app will now be added to your store, and you can manage or configure it from the app section of your Shopify admin. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.